Welcome to our lesson today on the F major scale. Now the fingering for F major scale right hand is 4 and 4. So it's the only white note scale that does not use the pinky. So what did you notice? I actually end the scale on the 4th finger. All I need to remember is the pattern 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see that? So I'm basically doing this. So for me, F major scale, straight away in my mind, I see this. Now when I play it, how many notes does F major scale actually have? If you had to just look at the keys here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But because I'm playing the B flat as my accidental and the key signature of F major, I don't have to play the B natural. The thing that you've got to be careful when you play F major is the thumb going under the 4th. I've got to make sure that I put my thumb down on the correct key and not on the B natural. 4, thumb under, stretch it, put it on. Go and practice your F major scale, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like the video, all you need to do is click on the subscribe button, either on the video or below the video. If you click it below the video, you'll notice a little gray notification bell will appear on the right hand side of the subscribe button. Click on that and click all, which means you're going to get notifications of all the videos that I do. And eventually you're going to have a whole library of videos to be able to just practice over and over and over. See you in the next lesson.